Welcome to another episode of the prestigious landed home series by AAG Landed Dynamic Alliance at 7772. I'm Gerald.
And I'm Agnes. Today we are excited to bring you back to the charming Mountbatten area to explore a beautifully renovated cluster detached house at 7 Crescent, designed by the award-winning MKPL architects.
Nestled within a bungalow zone, these 14 cluster detached homes at 7 Crescent offer a unique blend of serene landed living with the convenience of condominium facilities. Surrounded by an enclave of semi-detached and detached houses, this location exudes exclusivity and tranquility.
Here at the private patio, you'll enjoy a peaceful pool view. Thoughtfully positioned planters provides privacy, ensuring that residents and swimmer alike can relax without disturbance.
The living and dining areas boast very high ceilings and expensive glass panels, creating a bright, airy space that's naturally ventilated. At the rear of level 1, there's a fully equipped kitchen, perfect for owners who love to cook.
Moving up to level 2, we find the master bedroom, complete with an open terrace that overlooks the swimming pool, a perfect spot to unwind in the evening. This level also houses an additional ensuite bedroom, offering comfort and privacy.
On the attic level, you'll discover another generously sized ensuite bedroom with its own outdoor terrace, ideal for enjoying the fresh air.
This cluster detached home also includes 2 parking spaces in the basement, where you can find the 4th ensuite bedroom and a cozy family area, perfect for gatherings.
Seven Crescent is situated in a peaceful prime location, yet it's surrounded by endless shopping and dining options. Parkway Parade, Katong I-12 and Kapatong Shopping Centre are just a stone throw away. For those who love the outdoors, East Coast Park is within a leisurely stroll.
Commuting is a breeze with Tanjung Katong MRT station just a short walk away. And with easy access to the ECP, you're just minutes drive to the city or the airport.
Families with school-going children will appreciate the excellent schools in the vicinity, including Tanjung Katong Primary School, which is within a 1 kilometer radius. With nearby 4-bedroom condo units like those at Alto and Seafront already transacting above $5 million, this 4639 square feet cluster house at just $5.28 million offers incredible value for buyers seeking more space and luxury. Don't miss out. Contact us today to schedule an exclusive home tour. AAG Landed 7772, your compass for landed properties.